everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making summer smoothies 3 ways using this awesome personal blender that was sent to me from the good folks at MOER. I can't wait to show you how these all come together. Okay, we're all ready to make some fruit smoothies, perfect for summer or anytime. And today we're going to be making them personal style, personal size, and we're going to be using this MOER personal blender. Now this is a really cool little blender, and we want to start off by saying today's video is sponsored by the fine folks at MOER, and I want to thank them for sending me this appliance to try and review for you guys. This is an interesting little appliance. It is a USB chargeable personal blender. It has a 6-blade apparatus and it's supposed to be super strong. I haven't used it yet, so we're all going to learn as we go. I thought it might be fun to make 3 fruit smoothies, and that way you guys can get some inspiration. And if you want to pick one of these up right now, it's available on Amazon. It's running under $25 and it has a couple of really cool features to it. As I said, you charge it via USB. When you first get it, you need to charge it for 3 to 5 hours for it to have a full charge. But it comes with this little charging cord. You plug it in here, and then you can plug this end into your computer, into your laptop, or into a wall adapter for USB cord, and no problem. It's really great for travel. I think that it would be really fabulous if you are on one of those protein shake plans and you're drinking 2 shakes a day and eating 1 meal. This would be a great way to mix up your shake base and then mix it together with the flavor powder. This would also be fabulous for new moms who are formula feeding, because you could mix up your formula nice and smooth in here, and then you could just transfer it to a bottle for feeding time. If you're traveling, y'all know with babies, it can be a challenge sometimes. Having something like this on hand can really be a help, especially if you're traveling by air or even taking a road trip. Having the availability to do this and mix that formula up can really be a big help. So I can think of a lot of other things that you can do with this, but we'll talk about that later. Right now we're going to concentrate on some fruit smoothies. We're going to make a mango lassi. So I have some mangoes here. These are fresh. I have some frozen pineapple that I cut up. You want to make sure that your fruit isn't giant chunks, otherwise it's not going to break up. This is a small appliance, so keep that in mind. I have some blueberries and strawberries that I cut up, some plain Greek yogurt, some coconut milk, and some almond milk. And you can choose to make this dairy-free or dairy-full. It's up to you depending on what you like and what your diet requires. So let's get started. We're going to make our mango lassi first. Now, mango lassi is super easy to make. It's just mangoes, yogurt, and you blend it up. And if you want it a little bit sweeter, then you just add a little bit of sweetener. Today we're going to be using some agave nectar. So in with our mango, I'm going to pop in a couple of spoonfuls of Greek yogurt. This very, very thick yogurt. So I think I'm going to go for the coconut milk today. And this is just regular coconut milk. Another tip, don't fill this too full right off the bat. Otherwise, you're going to have a problem. Another important tip, make sure that this arrow is right here in the front, and that your tube, this comes off for easy cleaning. It can go in the dishwasher. That way you're not going to have any leakage. I'm going to go ahead and give this a squirt of agave, because I know my mangoes are a little on the tart side. And I'll show you another feature of this really cool thing. This has a double screw-on cap. The bottom screws on the whole apparatus. The top has a straining device in it, so that if you want to strain, if you're going to put like apples and celery in here and you want to turn that into a juice, then you can strain out the solids. Okay, so the way this works is we're going to turn this upside down, and we're going to turn on the on button. It's going to have a delayed start. And then you want to slowly turn it upside down. This way you get good mixage. It's not very loud, which I think is a plus, especially if you're going to take this into work with you and use it in the break room. That way you're not going to disturb a whole bunch of people. Just let this mix until you think it's mixed enough for your taste. has a very strong motor. Then you can take off the lid and you have a delicious mango lassi. Just like that. I went ahead and I measured how much this would hold just with some water beforehand, and it holds about 1 1/4 cups of water, just plain water, and it all the way up to the top here. So that gives you some idea of the capacity. I've poured the mango lassi into a jelly jar, which up to the very top is approximately 8 ounces. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this out real quick, and we'll come back and we'll work on our pina colada smoothie. All right, next up we're going to make a pina colada smoothie, and yeah, as you can guess, that's going to have frozen pineapple chunks, which I have cut smaller than I put them in the freezer, and some coconut milk. You can use coconut cream, you can use whatever you like. You can also add extra coconut in here, but today I'm just using what I had on hand. I have some of this beautiful pineapple that was left from Micah's graduation party. We went ahead and we froze it on a cookie sheet so that we weren't going to waste it. And I'm just going to pour some of this coconut milk in here. And you see that when I'm filling this up, I'm not filling it to the tippy top. I'm filling it about 1/4 cup less. Make sure that you screw your cap on really tight. Turn it upside down. You're going to press once, then you're going to press for 3 seconds. And then you're going to turn it on right side up and let it do its magic. Pina colada smoothie coming right up. Beautiful. That looks good. It is good. That's really good. All right, on to our berry smoothie. All right, next up we're gonna do our berry smoothie. This is just some blueberries and some strawberries. I cut the strawberries up and cut the tops off. I'm gonna plop in, that's an official cooking term, plop, some Greek yogurt. I'm going to pour in some unsweetened almond milk. And then we're going to get crack-a-lackin'. Remember, you want to turn it upside down, press on to engage, press for 3 seconds. And turn it upside down slowly, or right side up, and let it do its deal. And then you're ready with a delicious berry smoothie. Beautiful. And if you like your smoothies thicker than this, then feel free to add more yogurt or even pop a couple of ice cubes in there. It's entirely up to you. But there you have it. That is 3 delicious summer smoothies ready to go. You can make them dairy-free or dairy-full, however your dietary needs require. We're going to come back in a minute and we're going to talk a little more about this kind of cool little personal blender. 3 summer smoothies, simple and delicious. And yes, you've probably made something like this before, but I was really trying to highlight the capabilities of this little blender that was sent to me. And I really feel like it's a fun thing to have. I think it's really useful. Back to school is coming sooner than we think. I know there are a lot of kids getting ready to go out and live in a dorm for the first time. This might be an awesome option, and it's low cost and it's super easy to use. It's super easy to maintain. It comes completely apart for easy cleaning, and we can think beyond smoothies. This would be great for scrambling eggs. It would be great for making crepe batter. It would be great for mixing baby formula or protein shakes up. You can take it to work. You can take it to school. This is easy to throw in your gym bag, so you can throw something together after your workout. The possibilities really are endless here as far as what you can use this for. It goes beyond smoothies and drinks. You can use this to emulsify salad dressings or vinaigrettes. You can use this to make marinades or sauces. You can even use this to make your own homemade mayonnaise. So don't just think that you have to use this to make drinks with. Even though it's a really great application, there are other things you can use this for. Anything you can make in your blender, you can make in this. Of course, it's going to be in a much smaller proportion. But if you are a single person or only a couple of people living together, then this might be the perfect option for you if you can't afford a more expensive variety of blender. If you would like more information on this particular blender, I'm going to leave a link down below where you can go to the Amazon page and check it out. If you think this is going to fit in your life, then awesome. If not, I understand. You can just move on. I don't mind one bit. The one thing I would like to point out though is this is an ABS. It's made of an ABS material. It's food grade, non-toxic, and BPA free. So you don't have to worry about that. It's rechargeable. You use your USB like I showed you. You can plug it into a wall adapter or you can plug it into your laptop. That's just something fun and simple on this warm summer day where it's starting to rain where I live. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my kitchen, you wandered on over to see what was going on, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new folks join me. Please be sure and hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you will get a push notification on your smart device or a message in your email box every time we upload a new video, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give these 3 delicious summer smoothies a try sometime soon. I also hope if you think it fits into your lifestyle, you'll go ahead and check out this awesome personal blender from MOER. A link will be down below. And until next time, I'll see ya.